Hello, my name is Vint Cerf. I'm chairman of the board of Interspecies IO. And like many of you, I've come to believe that non-human species have considerable cognitive capacity. Of course, the question is how much and how can we measure that? And is it possible to communicate between those species, between humans and non-human species, and even between non-human species? And that's what Interspecies IO is all about. We're joined by many colleagues who have been studying this question for decades now. We are ourselves now collaborating with a number of organizations to explore this territory. For example, the Santa Fe Institute is among our partners. We're in the middle of a massive interspecies communications observatory work together with the Fluent Pet organization and also UC San Diego and the Internet Archive. I could go on and on. There's the More Than Human Life organization, which also recognizes that non-human species have cognitive and even potentially consciousness capability. So why am I talking to you? Well, I want you to know that the Interspecies IO is actively engaged in supporting researchers in this space. Roughly monthly, we have speakers joining us who are interested in this space and who tell us about their research. We have a newsletter that comes out online. Many of you are part of our distribution list. And of course, we're looking for support for this work to continue to explore this question of whether non-human species are capable of communicating with each other and with humans. And to that end, I'm offering a $25,000 matching grant. So those of you who are so inclined and choose to donate to Interspecies IO, I will match that up to $25,000. So I hope you're as enthusiastic as I am about this exploration of non-human species cognitive capacity.